What is type 1 and type 2 errors? This is the question that we will deal in this lecture video. And let us begin by reviewing on error in statistical decision making. In hypothesis testing, we can also make mistakes when deciding whether to reject or accept a hypothesis. These mistakes are called type 1 and type 2 errors. The probability of making a type 1 error is the significance level or alpha, while the probability of making a type 2 error is beta. So this is the definition of type 1 error. It refers to the significance level or the alpha, while the type 2 error is called the beta. Type 1 and type 2 error. Type 1 error means the false positive. It is also known as the false alarm, and it happens when you are making a wrong decision. It's like you see something that does not exist, and type 1 error is committed when the decision says rejected a true null hypothesis. So, an example for type 1 error is like this. The test result says you have cancer, but you are actually healthy. Another example is when a judge makes a decision of convicting an innocent person. So, this is an example of false alarm, false positive, and type 1 error. Type 2 error is a false negative. It's like a missed opportunity, or it's like you are not making the right decision. This is like you miss to see something that actually exists. And you will commit a type 2 error when the decision says you failed to reject a false null hypothesis. An example for this is the test result says you don't have cancer, but you are sick. So this is a missed opportunity to recognize that you are sick. Another example is releasing a guilty person from prison. So this is also a missed opportunity, and probably you are making a wrong decision if you are going to release a guilty person from the prison. By this time, we will be identifying some statements as type 1 or type 2 error. Number 1, a doctor diagnoses a healthy patient with an illness. How would you like to consider this? Is this type 1 or type 2 error? So I believe this is a false alarm when you diagnose a healthy person with an illness. So we will consider this as a type 1 error. Item number 2, a fire alarm goes off even though there is no fire. So you are making a false alarm here. So we will consider number 2 as type 1 error. Number 3, a security system fails to detect an actual intruder. So this is a missed opportunity. So we will consider number 3 as a type 2 error. Number 4, a student is falsely accused of cheating on an exam. So this is a false alarm. The student did not cheat, but he is still accused of cheating, and we will consider this as a type 1 error. Number 5, a screening test for a rare disease misses some affected individuals. So it's very clear that you missed the opportunity to recognize that some are affected with that rare disease. So this is a type 2 error. Item number 6, a patient incorrectly shows a positive result for someone without the virus. So this is a false alarm because you are showing a positive result to a patient without the virus. So we consider item number 6 as type 1 error. Number 7, a company mistakenly approves a fraudulent transaction. Number 7 is like you missed the opportunity to recognize that it is a fraudulent transaction or this is a scam. This is a you fail to recognize that it is a scam, but the company still approves it. And that is why item number 7 is a type 2 error. Number 8, a weather forecast predicts rain, but it stays sunny all day. Number 8 is also a false alarm because this is your prediction and your prediction that it will rain, but it was sunny, and this is a type 1 error. A person is denied a loan even though they have excellent credit. So, excellent credit means you are a good payer when you borrow money from the bank or from a person, meaning you are paying in advance or you are paying it regularly, but you are still denied. So it's like a missed opportunity to recognize that you have an excellent credit. That is why item number 9 is considered a type 2 error. Item number 10, a smoke detector does not activate during an actual fire. So this is a missed opportunity. So the smoke detector did not activate during the actual fire. So that is why we will consider this as a type 2 error. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much. And that is our reference. Bye bye.